Welcome to another GNCRC video. This video is sponsored by CNHL Racing. As a bunch of you guys know, they are now my channel sponsor for batteries. And they sent me over a new package of batteries. I want to say shout out to you guys, CNHL. And before I get started on this video, guys, go ahead and hit that like button because you're going to like this video. If you're not subscribed, you're going to want to be subscribed. So we got some good news coming along with this video. So guys, as you can see, I already cut this box open. I was so excited. I got this a few days ago and hadn't had a chance to do any videos because of work. You guys already know. But I did open one of these and I just want to show you what we have here. Introducing the CNHL 120C 9000 milliamp battery. This is a 7.6 volt battery, guys, which is a high voltage battery. Beautiful hard case, guys. 9,000 milliamps. That's gonna give you plenty of runtime, guys. 5C max charge. You can charge these things really, really fast. Comes with a 4mm bullet plug to EC5. This is what I normally use on my larger scale vehicles. So that's perfect. This is also a 12 gauge wire. Really, really solid. Like this hard case. We have plugs on both sides as well. So you're able to connect these on either side, here or here. When you get ready to charge it, you're gonna wanna connect it to this side. That way you can plug into your ballast port. So the good news, guys, is I'll be giving away at least 2 of these, maybe 3. And if you guys are interested in getting one, it's gonna be absolutely easy to get it. It's gonna be something real simple, but you're gonna probably wanna go over and follow my GNCRC Facebook page, because I'm probably gonna have all the details about the giveaway over there. I'm gonna put that link in the description. I'm also gonna put the link in the description for CNHL. Make sure you guys go over and check out some of their batteries. They got some real cool batteries, high C ratings, pretty much anything that you will need. I got a bunch of batteries that I'm gonna be using for the Groms that I have. And these will be used for, I got a couple things actually, guys. I have, I'll say 3 new vehicles coming to the channel. But make sure you stay tuned. These are gonna be absolutely free to you. I'm gonna take care of the shipping and everything. Just make sure you go over and you hit that link. And make sure you check out their link as well to check out their batteries. They have some real good sales right now. If you guys have any questions about batteries for the Granite Grom, I'll put a link to that group in there as well. The Typhon Grom, I can tell you the ones that I'm gonna be using. I got to actually go in and solder on some leads. I'm gonna do EC3s on the smaller batteries, and all my larger batteries I normally use EC5s. That's just my preference. Easy to solder, so I like using these. But these came with it, so that's perfect. So I wanted to bring this to you guys, let you see this. You're gonna see how this perform. Hopefully later on this week. Like I said, I got another car coming in and this will fit. And I actually got something new to you guys, but old to me. And you're gonna wanna stay tuned because I'll be putting that video pretty soon. One of my favorite rigs, actually. And it's not a Mini, so. Well, it's kind of Mini, but it's not a Mini. So make sure you stay tuned because I will be testing these batteries out in that particular rig for one. And I got another rig I'm gonna test these out in as well. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.